Just reply hi guys. You won't be a little bit attentive in this class. Okay. Guys, okay. In the yesterday's class and the previous day, we had seen the generations of computers. So totally we have 5 generations of computer. Computer was first invented at the time of World War. We have seen that one. And in the previous class, we had seen the functional unit of a computer or a block diagram of a computer. Block diagram or functional unit of a computer. It consists of input devices, output devices, CPU, memory. And in the previous class, we saw actual what is a CPU. We saw what is the difference between CPU cabin and a CPU. Okay. We saw what is a CPU cabin and what is a CPU yesterday's class. And today we shall see little bit interesting topic and which is more informative topic, guys. Actually, this is most important. If you are aware, well and good. If you are not aware, try to grasp as much of information as possible in the today's class. Like by the end of today's class, you won't get the actual entire thing you won't know, but at least some part I will try my level best to convey whatever the best is possible from me. Okay. So coming to the discussion, coming to this discussion, how is the memory measured in terms of in your computers? Listen here. How is memory measured in your computers or in your mobiles? Both are same. Both the concept is very same. How is memory measured? Hey, we have something to. We have a parameter to measure everything, right? Like to measure the length, to measure the height, to measure the weight, to
In
measure
bytes,
the
sir.
and Raja? Bits, bytes,
Byte, sir, byte.
bits and bytes. Now, see, guys. See here, I don't want to get the answer from you people. A bit is nothing but it is 0 or 1, guys. A bit consists of 0 or 1. Will you people accept with that one? If you people accept with that one, please reply bit. A bit consists of only 0 or 1. Will you people agree with that one? A bit consists of 0 and 1. And yes, listen here, everyone. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ respond ಮಾಡಿ. At least try to grasp as much information as possible in this 20 to 25 minutes. Like, guys, the smallest representation of data in a computer is using a bit. A bit is nothing but it's a 0 or 1. A collection of bits is called as byte or anything. So there is a smallest particle than a byte. See here, a byte is nothing but 8 bits. A byte is nothing but 8 bits. Listen, a byte is nothing but 8 bits. Byte ginta there is one more thing which is very smaller than a byte. What is that one? that is greater than bit and lesser than byte. In between them, there is one thing.
Nibble, sir. Nibble, sir.
Nibble. Nible. What is the size of a nibble? It's 8 bits. Sorry, 4 bits. No, a bit consists of 0 or 1. A bit consists of 0 or 1. A nibble consists of 4 bits. A nibble consists of 4 bits. A byte consists of 8 bits. A byte consists of 8 bits. So next, what are the other representations? What you use? Megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte. These are the things you people have used in your mobiles, right? My mobile is having 64 GB. That is gigabytes. My laptop is having 1 terabyte ROM. So can you people see here? I told a bit is nothing but 0 or 1. 1 nimsha. A byte is nothing but 0 or 1. Sorry. A bit is nothing but 0 or 1. A nibble is 4 bits. A nibble is 4 bits. A byte is 8 bits. A byte is 8 bits. Like that, can you people name the terminologies what you know?
Sir, kilobyte 2 power 10 bits.
KB. Next.
GB 1024 MB.
Kilobyte is 1024 bytes. Hey, there is a relationship between everything, guys. See here. A bit is 0 or 1. A nibble is 4 bits. Do one thing. See here, I will tell you people, a bit is nothing but it's 0 or 1. A nibble is 4 bits. A byte is 8 bits. Kilobyte, KB. KB. KB is 1024 bytes. MB, megabyte. It is 1024 kilobytes. Gigabytes. Gigabyte, it is 1024 megabit. Terabyte, it is 1024 gigabytes. Hey, no, 1 KB andre, it is 1024 byte. Kilobyte means it is 1024 byte. MB andre, it is 1024 KB. Gigabyte andre, it is 1024 MB. Terabyte andre, it is 1024 GB. Let me just you people go through this one, or if you want, you can take down in the material. Just you take down this one. Just have this information with you people. What is a bit? What is a byte? What is a KB? What is a GB? What is MB and what is TB? Is this one clear? About bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, and terabyte. Is this some clear for you people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, coming to the next topic, guys. Everyone reply say a little bit interesting topic and more relevant topic. Everyone reply with hi. Okay. Okay, guys. So enough. Guys, ಇವಾಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Your computer understands what does your computer understand? Hey, like to interact with me and you people, we are having English as a language. English as a language or Kannada or Hindi. We use these three languages to interact between me and you people. Like the computer understands what? I can understand some 5 to 10 languages, some 7 to 8, 10 languages. What does a computer understand? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ think ಮಾಡಿ. What does the computer understand? Huh?
Sir, low level language, sir.
Before language, low level language. Don't go to language level and all.
Sir, it's high and low.
Huh?
High and low.
0 and 1 are binary language. Binary language.
Correct. What does computer understand? Girls. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ girls ಹಾಕು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ they are lagging. Do you people have, look, I am not asking the answer from you people. If you know, you can answer, otherwise you can just keep quiet. Even if it's wrong answer, I don't bother, but if you open up, it will be good. Yes, listen here. What does computer understand? Hey, see, one nimsha irri.
Machine language, sir.
Mohammed,
Machine language.
you are a little bit ahead, man. Basically, adella bitbidi. Someone Manish has told correct. Hey, one nimsha. In my keyboard, there are many buttons, guys. QWERTY, A to Z, 1 to 9, 0 to 9, escape, functional keys till 12, control, caps lock, shift, function, windows, 4 arrow buttons, enter, everything, every button is there. Like, my question is, if I press A in my laptop, see here now, I am pressing A. I am pressing A. Will the computer understand A? Or will the computer get the data as an input as A, or it will get any other thing? Or if I give B, or if I give the input as B, will the computer take the input as B, or it will take any other format? If I give the input as H, will the computer take the input as H, or it will take any other format? If I give the input as 9, it will take 9, or it will take 0, or it will take 7. Now see, randomly I am giving many inputs. My question is, computer understands these things or it will understand other things?
Sir,
HU9
like ASCII
Other
code.
format.
Huh?
Sir,
First of
Sir,
all, computer understands
Sir,
what?
ASCII code.
Arpita, someone name by name AR. I don't know what's the name. Arpita, okay, Arpita ne correct. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅದಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ASCII codes ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. Next is ASCII codes. First of all, basically computer understands what? That's my question. If you
Sir,
people know,
binary language.
huh?
Binary language.
Binary language ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ you are ahead ma. You are ahead. Before that
Sir,
one,
sir, it will
commands.
only understand numbers, sir.
See guys, few people told, some 5 to 10 people told correctly. Computer understands only 0 and 1, guys. Computer understands only 0 and 1. Apart from 0 and 1, computer does not understand anything. Do people have any idea about this one? Have you heard anywhere? ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಾ? Like this sentence, computer understands only 0 or 1. Apart from 0 and 1, it won't understand anything. Have you heard anywhere? If you have heard, on and off, 0 or 1. Nihal, 0 or 1. 0 is off, 1 is on. Have you heard anywhere? Yes or no? If you have heard anywhere, yes sir, I knew sir, but I couldn't give the answer. If you say that one, you people reply heard. If you are not heard, just be aware that computer understands only 0 and 1s, guys. It understands only binary numbers, 0 and 1. Apart from that, it won't understand anything. And see here, all the keyboard buttons, whatever I'm having in my keyboard, that is A to Z, 0 to 9, 4 arrow buttons. Every key in the keyboard is assigned an ASCII value. Arpita told ASCII. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Exchange. ASCII. So what he has done is he has given the keyboard functions 1 to 127. 1 to 127. I will show you. See here. For the control characters. See, this is the ASCII table, guys. I will explain, just you go through this one. 0 is assigned the value of null. 1 is assigned start of header. 2 STX, that is a start of text, end of text, acknowledgement, bell, backspace, horizontal tab, line feed, vertical tab. 0 to 127, 0 to 31 and 127 are the control keys in your laptop. So which one will be visible to you? Hey, enter visible irutenappa namge. If I press enter, in my laptop, is enter visible to you people? It won't be visible, right? But if I enter P in my laptop, P will be visible. See here, you'll not really. O is visible to you people. P is visible. N is visible. G is visible. 5, 6 is visible. If I press enter, enter is not visible. That's a command given to the computer. That's the command given to the computer. In the same way, they are classified ASCII things. ASCII control characters, ASCII printable characters, ASCII extended characters. See here, what I want to convey in this ASCII characters is, hey, see here guys, in your keyboard, every button is assigned one decimal value, starting from 00 to 01 to 127. Okay. Let's listen here, guys. See, in that table, what I want to conclude is, for every button in the keyboard, some ASCII value has been assigned, a decimal value has been assigned. For A, for capital A, there is a difference between capital A and small a, guys. There is a difference between capital A and small a. See here, for capital A, it has been assigned as 65. For small a, it has been assigned as 97. For small b, it has been assigned as 66. For small capital B, it has been assigned as 66. For small b, it has been assigned as 98. For 9, it has been assigned as 57. For 0, it has been 48. Okay. in this ASCII thing, what I want to conclude to you people is, what I want to bring to your notice is, every button in your laptop or a desktop, in your keyboard, guys, every button in our keyboard is assigned an ASCII value starting from 0 to 127. 0 to 127. Is this one clear? Just reply. This is clear or not? ASCII, it is not doing anything logic anilla. All the buttons in the keyboard are assigned some decimal value starting from 0 to 127. Okay. See here in that $37, 37 percentage, 38 ampersand, 40 open braces, 41 close braces, 43 plus symbol, 45 minus symbol, 47 slash 48 0, 49 1, 57 9, 60 greater, 61 equal to, 62 greater than, 63 question mark. Others, no cinema is there. Don't think anything ahead, just listen to whatever I say. See here in your keyboard, there are many keys. There are capital letters, small letters, everything is there. And those are been given by ASCII, that is American Standard for Information Exchange. Okay, that is a standard which has given the values. Now, now listen here. As the computer understands only 0 or 1, the computer understands only 0 or 1. See here, what is the ASCII value of A, capital A? It is 65, right? ASCII value of A is 65. See here. So, see what happens is, guys, I want to clarify to you two things to you people. One thing, computer understands only one thing. In the computer understand only one thing, guys. It understands only either 0 or 1. The binary format it understands. Apart from that, it won't understand anything. It won't understand anything. So coming to the data, how data has been represented in a computer. First, it has been represented in the form of a bit, nibble, byte, KB, MB, GB, TB. Bit that is 0 or 1. Nibble, 4 bits. Next one is byte. Next one is kilobyte. Next one is megabyte. Next one is terabyte. Bit, nibble, byte, bit, nibble, byte, KB, MB, GB, TB. This is how the data will be represented in a computer. But the computer understands only 0 or 1, guys. Computer understands only 0 or 1s. So see here, what happens is, computer understands only 0 or 1, and the ASCII standard, what it has done is, it has assigned the values from 0 to 127, from 0 to 127 for different characters or different symbols in your keyboard. See here, that is given by, see here, if I press null in my laptop, the input will be given as 0 0. If I press null button in my laptop, the input will be given as 0 bits. That is 0 and 0. If I press 1, this one you have not heard about this one. Let's come to this one. If I press space, guys, the decimal value of 32 will be converted into binary format and it will be given. See here, if I press space, what happens is, This will be given as the input, guys. 1 0 0 0 0 1 followed by 5 zeros. See here, if I give the input as space, if I give the input as space, illida nodi 32. If I press the space button in my laptop, the input will be given in this binary format 32 1 0 0 0 0 1 followed by 5 zeros. Understood? Hey, if I give space button, the input would be given in the form of a space. The input will be given in this format 1 followed by 5 zeros. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir.
If you have understood, reply triple S. If I give space, the ASCII value of space is, see here, the ASCII value of space is 32. If I convert this 32 decimal number into binary number, I'll be getting this code 1 followed by 5 zeros. The computer understands this one, not 32 or space. If a little bit for few people it's understood. Once again, if I give capital A as the input, it won't accept capital A, or it won't accept the decimal value of 65. It understands only this one. See, it is going to take this as the input 0 1 5 zeros 1 0 1 5 zeros 1. If I give capital A as the input, it is going to take this as the input, guys, not capital A anta tagonalla. It is going to take this as the input. It's going to take this as the input. The numbers, binary numbers, what I have selected. Is this one clear? If I press capital A in my laptop keyboard, it won't take capital A as the input, guys. It is going to take this as the input. If you have understood this one, reply capital A. Reply capital A if it is understood to you people. So, if I want to conclude the today's topic, conclude the today's topic, see here, guys, the data, it will be represented in the form of a bit, byte, nibble, bit, nibble. Stop everyone. Listen, let's rewind for 1 minute. The data, it will be represented in the form of a bit, nibble, byte, KB, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, and terabyte in our computer or in our mobile or in our laptop. So the computer understands only 0 and 1, guys. It won't accept anything apart from 0 and 1. So to the inputs, whatever we give to the computer, that will be through the keyboard only, right? So for that, what they have done is one organization by name ASCII, it has assigned the values from 0 to 127 for different characters in our laptop. And it has assigned the decimal number. So the decimal number values of the different characters of the laptop are this one: control characters, printable characters, extended ASCII characters. So these are the things which has been assigned. Each value, each decimal, each symbol has been assigned a decimal value. While giving the input, what happens is this decimal value will be converted into binary format. That is in the form of zeros and ones. See here, if I want to give A as the input, I can give capital A. So the capital value, the capital A value, the decimal value is 65. And if you convert that into binary, we'll be getting this as the input. Okay, the computer understands this one. It won't understand. See here, computer does not understand A or 65. It understands only this format. That is 0 1 5 zeros 1. Is this understood? If it is
Yes,
understood,
sir.
just reply U and D. Let's end the session. These are all very simple things. What we know, we have heard somewhere, but we don't know the proper shape. Let's give a proper shape to that one. Okay, and let's proceed with the other topics in the next class. Most probably today is Tuesday, guys. By next Monday, we shall start with the programming. We shall see these things which are most awareness about these things has to be needed. Of course, these are all in the syllabus also. So let's have an awareness of all these things. What is a bit? What is a byte? What is how many types of memory are there? Everything. And preferably by next Monday or Tuesday, we shall start the programming part. Okay. Okay, guys, you can leave. You can get ready for the next period.
Thank you, sir.